So I did a video on this, which is pretty awesome looking, and I didn't realize, I'll show you, that inside is a screen. So we have this piece here, and this here is where you put your herbs in. Oh, come on. Hold on. So I assumed that you put the the herb up here, and then what you were gonna use would fall down below, but that is just storage. Underneath here is a screen to stop the perfect pieces from falling through. So only powder, fine powder, is gonna fall through, which, you know, I didn't know because this is not my everyday thing. So you put your herbs up here, you grind it until it's nice like this, and then you just you use this as your storage. And that's pretty much what that is down there. I thought that your particles fell through, and that's what I was trying to do. I was trying to grind it until it fell through, but in fact there is a screen here that would prevent it from falling through. So as you watch the upcoming video, just realize that I made a mistake, and now I am just rectifying the mistake that I made. Okay, thank you. So this is what came in the mail today. What do you think it is? Here's a little styrofoam thing here that we can take out. Oh, he looks so familiar. There he is. So what do you think this is? He is an herb grinder. What's an herb grinder? So let's say you have some chamomile. This is where the ground herb will fall. This is the grinder plate. There. And this is the top of it right here. So all you do is, I'll let you watch the crown while I put some herbal. Now I'm gonna put a bowl here so that I can not make a mess in my room. But, ooh, so that's a lot of stem. This is actually just chamomile because, hold on, I'll show you. Get back in there, please. This is just chamomile. This is just chamomile. Chamomile. So you put your herb. Hold on, I'm getting chamomiles everywhere. And I mean, so then after you put your chamomile inside, you just do this. You put it ashore, and then you check inside to see what's going on. I have a stem hanging out. So you just grind it. Grind. Let me check and see what's going on. Almost all gone. So I had a whole bunch of stems in there from the chamomile. Now you can put whatever herb it is that you enjoy putting in your tea. We all know you're not going to put this to make tea, but if this is what you needed to get your herbs ready for your tea, hey, this would just freak your friends out. They'd be like, oh my god, that is so unique that you are grinding up our tea with that monster. So I will put the link down below. There's a possibility that I'm doing this wrong because, you know, I'm not a usual herb grinder. But we can look down below and see what's going on. I just don't want to make a huge mess. But, man, the crown is beautiful. It's like a powder in there. Jeez. I think I'm doing it wrong. Ah, there we go. I think you have to keep moving it. Oops, I'm not doing it on camera. Sorry. I think you may have to go like this. It's spewing all over. So the powder fell down in here, and this, I would imagine that since I'm not a professional weed grinder, this looks like the stuff that you would be putting in your pipe or your tea bags. So, yeah, you can tease me because I don't know what I'm doing, but I got this for my son because I think this will make his day, because he is a marijuana connoisseur, and I thought that he would really love this. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, my son will love this. So it's fairly heavy, and the crown, the detail on the crown and the skull is extremely amazing. So I'll put the information down below so you can see where to get this, and go check it out. It's really cool looking, and it's seriously heavy. I mean, like a serious heavy paperweight heavy. It is heavy. It is so heavy. It like freaked me out when the box came in, how heavy it was. I had no clue what it was because of the weight. But definitely was surprised to see that this had that much weight to it. Alright, thanks for watching. Yeah, I'll put everything down below where you can find this. Come and get me. You know you want me. You know you want me.